how to sign out of YouTube on Android. Hi guys, today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can sign out of YouTube on Android. So if you open up your YouTube application or log in into your account, that's going to direct you to the home page. If you tap on the profile icon right at the bottom, go to the gear icon, you'll be able to see no such option as sign out. So basically there is no such direct method of signing out of YouTube account. But then there are some alternatives which you can give it a try. The first thing is you can just long press on your YouTube application and head over to app info and app info page. After that, go to storage and cache. Once you tap on storage and cache, click on clear cache as well as click on clear storage. If you tap on clear storage, this is going to delete all of your data. Along with that, you'll be logged out of your account. So when you try to log into your account, it's going to ask you to sign in once again, and that is basically how you can do it. What you can do is, in order to sign out of YouTube, you can simply delete your Google account. For that, you need to go to the settings of your devices. After that, go to Google or just go to accounts from the right at the bottom, and after that you need to select the particular Google account that you wish to remove. Click on remove. That's going to remove all of your Gmail, all of the services associated with this particular account. So in this way you can sign out of YouTube on Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And that's gonna sign